Happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone. Today's video is I'm gonna do unboxing. So come on guys, let's go. Now let's do unboxing guys. So first thing that I'm gonna unbox is this one from Hobby Lobby, because as usual we're still preparing for our trip to Philippines. So this one is actually for my accessories. So this one is a clear one so that I can see it, especially for the travel lotion, travel toothpaste. So I can put it here. So I bought two different size. So this one is the same, and the other one is this. So I can put lotion and makeups. And then the second one is this, but I open it. And this one, as I believe, is part of our party because we have a Christmas party here in my house. So look at this. It's a nice one. Actually, I wouldn't expect like this one. That is nice because I order online. So look at that. Please take one or do dishes. You choose. So I can put here the plates. I think this one is for the small plates, like for the cake plates. And I even have these. So, and for the napkins, a fork, spoon, and knives. So this is the one guys. Or for the coffee. So finally, they came before my party, so let me put it there. And then this one guys, I want to show you this one first. So this one I tried to order online. Let's see what I'm gonna have for this one. So this is the second time that I order at Shein, because last time that I ordered doesn't fit, so I don't know if is this one I have the right size. So let's see what is. Oh wow. So I seen this. This is the dress that I got from Shein. So later I will try it, this one guys, so that you can see it. Okay, this is the first one. Let me put you there. And then the second one is, I don't know what happened to my dress. Let me fix it because maybe you can see something in there. By the way, this is the second one. So let's see what is this. Oh wow, actually it's a nice one. So, oh, it's kind of a little big. But let's see what it's look like later when I wear it. Let me fix the camera. So this is the one guys. So let's see what it look like later. And then we're been shopping actually for our Christmas. So me and my husband is we gonna twinning. So this is my pants. Let's see here pants. I have the extra small size, and him is actually he has extra large, but this one is double X because he like big pants. So look at that. The pants is twinning, and then look at this sweatshirt. That's his sweatshirt. And I have one. I will bring it to you. Sorry, I just throw it there. So I will fix it later because I don't want my house to be messy. And this is mine. So this one is the Grinch Dr. Seuss. Did I read right? And it see here is front and back graphics. So this is the one at the back. So it's a every hoe down in hoe bill, the tall and the small was singing without any present at all. So that's at the back, guys. So but because we always have Christmas party at work, so I buy another one. It's also the Grinch, but it's kind of simple only because I'm gonna wear this for our Christmas at work. So this is the one, guys. I will try it later. And this is the sweatshirt. Then this one, guys, I have my Micheal Kors. This one is a bonnet. This one is, what is this? Gloves, and the other one is scarf. So that's the one that I have. And of course, my husband has it also. It's the same as a Micheal Kors, but he like plain only. So this is for him, is a bonnet and the scarf because here is getting cold now. Soon it's gonna be winter. And the last one, but not the least, this is tiny bag from Micheal Kors is turns my slippers because as I said, we're gonna go to Philippines, so we're gonna go to the beach, and finally I have my slippers in size 6. There you go, guys. So here we come, guys. This is the Grinch for Christmas, and also this is I'm twinning with my husband. So this is the way it look like. But I like it. It's so soft. As I believe is we're planning to wear this when we have a Christmas exchange gift. And this one, this is another one that I'm gonna wear in our Christmas party at work because we celebrate our Christmas party at the patio. So it's kind of cold. So look at that. It's cold and my hair is messy. So this is the one, guys. This is the second one that I have. And here's the dress that I buy from Shein. Look at that. I kind of like it though. So this is the first time that I buy in Shein that it's fit to my body. Because actually mostly of the dress that I buy there is either it's too big or too small. But this one is perfect. This is the second one that I buy there. So finally, I got one. Love it. So here we come, guys. The last one, but not the least. This is the one that I have. So it's look like nice. It's kind of a little bit bigger to me, but I love it. See, finally, because I need to lose weight. Love it. By the way, guys, I always promote my channel. So my YouTube channel is every Monday is about food, restaurant, and whatever the food that I cook here at the house. But by the way, we just cook only once a week because of our hectic schedule. And then every Wednesday is my fashion vlog, unboxing, collection to my closet. And every Friday is our travels. hotels, restaurants, adventures, beaches, name it. Wherever we go, that's our adventure. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.